Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding on how to trade Perps on Extended app. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description below. Now let's get started. What is Extended app? Extended app is a decentralized perpetual futures exchange that allows users to trade leverage perpetual contracts on cryptocurrencies using USDC as a collateral. Now, how can you start trading on Extended app? Open your browser, then head to app.extended.exchange. Tap on Start Trading at the top. Tap on WalletConnect to see all supported wallets. We'll be using Trust Wallets. So I'll just tap on Trust Wallet. Approve connection in your wallet. Connect. Let's go back. Now you need to sign this request to be able to trade. Send requests. Just sign. Then wait for the second one. I think there are two of them. Sign the second one. Now let's go back. So we have successfully connected our wallet. Now let's deposit funds. Tap on the wallet icon at the top. Then tap on deposit. Choose your chain. We'll be using Arbitrum. Set your amount. We'll be depositing 10 USDC. Then tap on deposit funds. You need to approve in your wallet. You need a little bit of gas fee based on the chain you are using. Since I'm using Arbitrum, I will need Arbitrum Ethereum. Now tap on approve. So we have successfully deposited. Tap on the wallet icon at the top, then tap on deposit. You find out that we now have 15 USDC in our wallet. Now let's go back. Let's quickly run through the interface. At the top, we have the search bar. You can just type in any assets you want to trade to jump straight into it. Right below the search bar, we have a set of filter tabs that list all tradable assets based on themes, asset types, or user preference. All shows every available perpetual market on Extended app. Pin is a personalized filter for your custom watch list of favorite markets. AI shows artificial intelligence theme tokens and projects. DeFi is dedicated to decentralized finance protocols and their native tokens. Infra is a short for infrastructure. It focuses on foundational blockchain projects. L1 shows layer 1 blockchains, while L2 targets layer 2 ecosystem tokens. Scroll. Meme shows meme coins. Pre-market showcases pre-markets or upcoming listings. And lastly, TradeFi shows traditional finance assets like forex, commodities, or indices. Now let's choose a market to trade. Let's go back to all. You can see the maximum leverage you get for trading a particular token on Extended app. So you get 50x for trading BTC, 50 for Ethereum, 50 for HYPE, Solana, 10 for Mundeg, and so on. Let's trade HYPE. Let's tap on HYPE. So at the top we have leverage. Tap on 10x. Leverage lets you control more money than you actually have. If you trade 10 USDC at 10x leverage, you trade like you have 100 USDC. It is collateral multiplied by leverage. Your profits and losses are also multiplied by your leverage, so it is advisable to always use fair leverage on your trades. Let's change this to 3x, then tap on confirm. So we have the chart showing visual representation of the price at different intervals. We also have the order book showing buys and sells. Let's tap on place order. Buy simply means you are betting the price of a coin will go up, while sell means you are betting the price will drop. It is also called long and short. Now let's short HYPE. We have several order types, of which market and limit order are mostly used. Market order lets you buy instantly at the current price, while limit order lets you set a price and the trade only happens when the token gets to your set price. We're using market order. Set your amounts. Now let's set take profit and stop loss. Take profit is the price level where your trade automatically closes in profit, Why stop loss is the level where you want your trades to close in loss. It helps to prevent bigger losses when the price moves against you. Since we are shorting hype and the price is currently above $30, let's set our take profits to 27, then stop loss to 33. Then just tap on sell. Got it? So we have successfully opened a short position on hype. Let's go back. Scroll up to see your position details, which contains your position size, the mark price, your profits, and your losses. Now, if you want to close your position, how do you close it? Just slide, then tap on close. Input the amount you want to close. If you want to close 100%, just leave it like this, then tap on close positions. That's it. We have successfully closed a position. So that's how to open and close Perp position on extended exchange. Now let's quickly discuss on how to earn points when you trade. Let's go back. Just tap on points at the bottom. So there are 3 ways you can earn points, and these points can be used for future airdrops later. When you engage in trading activities, like when you open and close Perp positions, you earn points. When you provide liquidity by depositing into vaults, you earn points. And when you invite your friends to join, you also earn points. So that's how to trade on extended app and also earn points. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.